Hello, good evening. This is Murli Verma from Sellence Trading Hub. We have to look this market. How is tomorrow? Before that, we can check the details of news, world news. Anyway, Sensex surges 550 points from day's low. Nifty above 24,850 but closed 24,812. Fresh FII buying among key factors behind market rise. Sensex Nifty bounced back in Wednesday's trade, supported by fresh foreign fund inflows. The equity benchmark Sensex and Nifty bounced back in Wednesday's trade, supported by fresh foreign fund inflows, buying in index. Majors such as Reliance Industries and ICICI Bank. After a weak opening, the Sensex recovered to trade 93.05 points higher at 81,676. The broader Nifty gained 42 points to 24,896 today morning. Here are the key factors behind market rise today. Value buying. Buying interest was seen in blue chip counters with Reliance Industries and ICICI Bank leading the gains. Other top performers included Indus Bank, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Eicher Motors and Bajaj Auto, which rose up to 6% during the session. Second one, foreign fund inflows. Foreign institutional investors, FIS, were net buyers in equities to the tune of rupees 1,482.77 crores on Monday. Domestic institutional investors, DIS, also made purchases worth rupees 8,207. Third one is global market cues. Asian markets traded mixed. South Korea's Kospi and Japan's Nikkei 225 were in the green. Geopolitical developments, fourth one. There was no sign of panic in global markets despite tensions in West Asia. Fifth, US Fed meeting in focus. Investors are also eyeing the outcome of the US Federal Reserve policy meeting, which concludes Wednesday, while no immediate rate move is expected. Market players are watching for signals on inflation, rate cut projections, and comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Adani Ports shares dropped 2%, extend losses for sixth session amid Israel-Iran conflict. We can just look what is the news for Adani. Adani Ports share price, the company had acquired a majority stake in Israel's Haifa port for a total consideration of 1.18 billion in 2023. The port is one of Israel's major seaports. The shares of Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone dropped around 2% on June 18 to trade at around rupees 1,369 a piece in the afternoon. The stock has now extended losses to the sixth consecutive session as investors remain concerned about the potential threat to its key port in Israel amid the ongoing conflict in the Middle East. The war between Israel and Iran ended its sixth day today, with multiple missiles continuing to be shot by the two nations each other. Since the outbreak of the hostilities last week, Iran has fired more than 400 missiles and launched hundreds of drones at Israel. According to a statement from Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office, the increased attacks have killed 24 people so far, injured over 800 and forced more than 3,800 residents to evacuate from vulnerable areas. Adani Ports owns a majority stake in Haifa port in Israel. The company had acquired the port for a total consideration of 1.18 billion in 2023. The port is one of Israel's major seaports. Sharpens fell in the chemical terminal at the spot and some other projects fell at the oil refinery. Two sources aware of the matter said they claimed there were no injuries. A piece of interceptor shrapnel was also found at the Kishan West Haifa port, but there were no injuries, they said. Cargo operations at the Adani operated port were unhampered. While the port so far remains unhampered, the rising hostilities raise investors' concerns over the possible disruption in case Iran strikes the port. Adani Ports shares have declined over 6% in the past 5 days. The stock, however, has gained more than 13% in the past 6 months. It, however, fell 5% in the past 1 year. Over 14 lakh shares of the company have been involved in active trade today. According to data on NSE at 2:30 p.m., the stock has a PE ratio of 27. F&O expiry days. What does it mean for traders as NSE gets Tuesday and BSE settles with Thursday? The 3-day cycle, Friday to Tuesday, for NSE's expiry gives traders more time to build positions and capture premium, particularly benefiting option sellers through theta decay, say market participants. Okay, we can back to Nifty. Today Nifty opened at 24,788 and went up to 24,947. After that, it came down to 24,750. Then it closed 24,812. Yeah. If it is opening tomorrow above 24,813, it may go up to 24,850 or 24,900 or 24,982. If it is opening below 24,813, it may go down again to 24,700 or 24,600. Tomorrow, Nifty expiry day, derivatives expiry day, so up and down we can expect. Today 24,800 call opened at 123 and went up to 201. After that, it went down to 668 and closed at 73. If it is opening above 84, it may go up to 97 or 109 or 121. If it is opening below 97, it may go 84, 72, 60, even 48. Today 24,800 put is opened at 111 and went up to 115 only. After that, it came down to 44 and again it went up to 113 and closed at 83. If it is opening above 88, it may go up to 99, 110 or 132. If it is opening is below 88, it may go down to 77, 66, 55, even 44. This is the prediction for Nifty and Nifty derivatives, put and call. Then we can look Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today opened at 55,544 and went up to 55,933 and the low was 55,511 and closed at 55,828. Bank Nifty support is 55,534. Today that support broken. So if market is tomorrow opening is above 55,723, it may go again 55,912 or 56,000. The opening is below 55,723, it may go down again to 55,534 or 55,300 or even below that. This is the prediction for Bank Nifty, and we can check the prediction for Sensex. Sensex today opened at 81,314 and went down to 81,237, and again it went up to 81,858 and closed at 81,447. Sensex support was 81,345, that is broken today and closed above the support. So if it is open above 81,447 or 81,345, it may go up to 81,550 or 81,755. If it is the opening is below 81,345, it may go up to 81,140 or 80,750. This is the prediction for Sensex and Bank Nifty. Thank you very much.